Hey guys, it's SAF here. Listen, last month I brought in $163,800, and the crazy thing is, almost all of it was passive. See, I don't have just one job, I have 7 different income streams working for me 24/7. That's right, even while I sleep, the money keeps coming in. So if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to learn how to build true financial freedom, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down each of my income streams, how they work, and how you can get started today. Alright, let's talk about real estate, my personal favorite way to build long-term wealth. Real estate isn't just about owning property, it's about creating a steady stream of income that can support you for years to come. Now, I'm not talking about flipping houses, this is about generating passive income month after month. Flipping can be lucrative, but it requires constant effort and attention. Instead, rental properties offer a more hands-off approach. See, when you own rental properties, you're essentially creating a business where your tenants pay down your mortgage while you collect cash flow. This means that every month, a portion of your mortgage is being paid off by someone else, and you get to keep the difference as profit. Plus, you get the added benefit of appreciation, meaning your property value goes up over time. Real estate tends to appreciate in value, especially in growing markets, which can significantly increase your net worth. I'm talking potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars in equity. This equity can be leveraged for future investments, creating a snowball effect that can exponentially grow your wealth. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't real estate expensive? The initial cost can be daunting, but there are ways to mitigate this. And yeah, it can be, but it doesn't have to be. There are affordable options out there if you know where to look. You don't need to start with $1 million property. Even a modest home can generate significant income. There are tons of strategies for getting started with little to no money down, like house hacking or partnering with someone. House hacking involves living in one part of the property while renting out the other parts, effectively reducing your living expenses. Do your research, find the right property, and watch the passive income roll in. The key is to be diligent and patient. Over time, your investments will grow, and you'll see the fruits of your labor. Real estate is a long game, but it's one that can pay off immensely if you play it right. Educate yourself by attending seminars, reading books, and networking with other investors. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge is power in the world of real estate. Imagine the freedom of having a steady stream of passive income. It can give you the financial security to pursue your dreams, travel the world, or simply enjoy more time with your loved ones. Real estate can be your ticket to financial independence. Set your goals, make a plan, and take action. The journey to building passive income through real estate starts with a single step. Are you ready to take that step? Next up, we're diving into the stock market, specifically dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks from companies that share a portion of their profits with shareholders on a regular basis. Now, most people think of the stock market as this get-rich-quick scheme, but it's not. It's a place where you can build wealth over time if you approach it with the right mindset and strategy. It's about investing in solid companies you believe in and holding onto them for the long haul. These are companies with strong fundamentals, good management, and a track record of profitability. And the beautiful thing is, some of these companies will actually pay you just for being a shareholder. This means you can earn money simply by owning a piece of the company. Those are called dividends, and they're like little bonuses that get deposited straight into your account. These payments can be quarterly, semi-annually, or annually depending on the company. Now, don't expect to get rich overnight with dividends. It's a slow and steady process that requires patience and discipline. It's all about slow, steady growth and reinvesting those dividends to buy even more shares. This strategy is known as dividend reinvestment, and it can significantly boost your returns over time. Over time, that compounding effect can be incredibly powerful. The dividends you earn can be used to purchase additional shares, which in turn generate more dividends, creating a snowball effect. So, do your research, start small, and watch your money grow while you sleep. Remember, the key is to stay informed and make educated decisions. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a rewarding way to build wealth over the long term. Okay, this next one is all about leveraging your expertise and creating a business around it, online courses. Think about it, what are you passionate about? What do you know more about than most people? Chances are there are tons of people out there who would pay to learn from you. Creating an online course is easier than ever with platforms like Teachable and Thinkific. You can literally film yourself teaching, upload it, and start selling it within a day. The best part? It's completely scalable. You create the course once and it can generate passive income for years to come. So tap into your inner expert, build a course and start sharing your knowledge with the world. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Get paid to promote products you love. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most powerful ways to monetize your online presence. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or a content creator, affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn money by promoting products and services you genuinely love and use. Here's how it works. You find a product or service you love, something that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. You then recommend it to your audience through various channels, such as blog posts, social media updates, YouTube videos, or even email newsletters. If your audience makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The more engaging and authentic your recommendation, the higher the chances of your audience making a purchase. The key here is to be authentic, and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity builds trust, and trust is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. No one wants to feel like they're being sold to, so focus on providing value and recommending things that will truly benefit your audience. Share your personal experiences, success stories, and honest reviews to create a genuine connection with your followers. Demonstrations and personal stories can be particularly effective. Show your audience how the product works, its benefits, and how it has positively impacted your life. This approach not only informs but also inspires your audience to take action. With the right strategy and a little bit of effort, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. Plan your content, analyze your performance, and continuously optimize your approach to maximize your earnings. Imagine earning money while you sleep, or while you're enjoying a cup of coffee. That's the beauty of passive income through affiliate marketing. Start today, and watch your efforts pay off over time. Chapter 5. YouTube Ad Revenue. Turn your passion into profit. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, you're already witnessing the power of YouTube ad revenue. That's right. Every time you watch an ad on my channel, I earn a small commission. It might not seem like much, but those pennies add up, especially as your channel grows. The key here is to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. The more views you get, the more ad revenue you generate. And the best part? It's completely passive. Once you upload a video, it can continue to generate income for years to come. So find your niche, start filming, and let your personality shine. Chapter 6. E-commerce. Build your own online empire. Next up, we're diving into the world of e-commerce, where you can literally sell anything you can imagine online. Whether it's physical products, digital downloads, or even dropshipping, the possibilities are endless. The key here is to find a niche market, source high-quality products, and create a seamless customer experience. With platforms like Shopify, setting up your own online store has never been easier. You can literally have your business up and running within a day. So get creative, find your niche, and start building your online empire. Chapter 7. Consulting. Get paid for your expertise. Finally, let's talk about consulting, where you get paid to share your knowledge and expertise with others. This is perfect for anyone with specialized skills or experience in a particular industry. Whether you're a marketing guru, a financial whiz, or a tech expert, there are businesses out there willing to pay top dollar for your insights. The best part? You can often set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. So, leverage your skills, build your network, and start charging what you're worth. There you have it, guys. My 7 income streams that helped me achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's not about relying on just one source of income. It's about diversifying your streams so that if one dries up, you've got others to fall back on. So, which of these income streams resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're serious about taking control of your finances, be sure to check out my other videos for even more tips and strategies. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your goals.